Short summarizing of today's lecture is our today's lecture theme is how to pray, igo-ofo, and the spiritual exercise. What we know, spiritual exercise is the key, prayer is the key, igo-ofo is the key. You must know all these formulas because for you to succeed massively in this gross material world, you must align yourself with the entities of powers, the spiritual entities. They are the angelic creatures. They are the ones that will take your prayers and requests to where all those their requests will be given attention. But you must have time for interaction with them consistently. If it's possible, put your phone on alarm, have a specific time 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes. It's really enough. But let it be consistent. There's power of consistency. It works for me and it will work for you. And it have worked for others. You must have time you recharge yourself. You connect yourself with meditation and quiet times. That is where time you reach, get inspiration and innovation. How what we can apply to get what we need. Let me tell you, some people normally don't, because they don't understand, they'll keep underrating the power of prayers and they go for and spiritual exercise because they don't understand how this works. Some of them will go the wrong way of trying to make charms. Let me tell you, if you like, go and give any spiritualist millions of naira to prepare any charms. Charms on their own can give you money. Charms has limitations. What charm can do for you? Yes, I know there's charm, but why I don't preach about charm because charm is works between the space and time. They expire because the component of charm is in gross material. Here they may be a maybe. So it has lifespan. So that's why charm cannot lead you too far. Because charms cannot leave you in the realm of the spirits. No. Charm can only work in the gross material because the component is here. Are you following? So, and the charms cannot give you money. What you see give you money is your hard work, the knowledge, and the for you when you understand the principle that governs whatever the greatness, the success, and everything. Apply those principles. It's not from those principles you will get what you want. Not money, not charm. Why I want you to connect yourself with your spiritual entities is that they understand their strength and weak point. Based the fact that they know on their strength and weak point, they will stand in a better position to advise you because they have already made yourself become friends with them. For the fact that you are in good harmony with them, they will be able to advise you, my son, my daughter, your strength lies here, your weak point lies here. Apply this principle, it shall be well with you. Their own is to advise you, but to make the move is for you. So why I'm advising you now is to understand that there is a need for you to create time for spiritual exercise when you interact with your spiritual forces, for them to give you innovation and vision of how you can apply some certain things to get what you want. So, but if you refuse to have those quiet time when you recharge yourself, when you get the vision, how will you be able to succeed? Me, I don't joke with time or whatever I normally plan in life. I normally have quiet time so that my forces will advise me on what to do. And once they advise me, I take it upon myself to make sure that those things I receive come to fulfillment. Because you are the one that will make those your vision push them hard to come into manifestation, not the spirit, not your okite, not whatever charm anybody does for you. Yes. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture, or you want us to do consultation for you, our family, send them a message in our WhatsApp 0805 7837 672. See you tomorrow. As in normal, normal, church. Remain blessed.